Now the last coin which I'm going to talk about has not pumped yet. All the coins which I've showed you earlier have already pumped, although. Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto Everyday. In today's video we are going to take a deep dive into real world assets. We'll understand what is a real world asset, and then we'll start discussing few tokens which I think that can play a very huge impact in the coming bull run. So the real world asset in crypto refers to the tokenization of tangible assets that exist in the physical world that are brought on chain. They also include the growing issuance of capital market products on chain, where digital securities are tokenized and offered to retail customers. We are seeing that the decentralized finance yields have dried up, and it is inching closer to traditional finance yields. The increased tokenization of real-world assets includes real estate, loan, and most recently US Treasuries. At the time of recording, the total market cap is sitting at around 22 billion, which is preferably a small market cap in a degen point of view. So there's a lot of upside. Further moving ahead, I am not a financial advisor. Please do not buy or sell anything which I say. I am here purely for education purpose, but I highly and firmly believe that the narrative of real world asset will have a huge impact in the coming bull run. Before further ado, let's start discussing on few tokens which I have listed for today, and let's start with Chainlink. At the time of recording, Chainlink is sitting at close to $15 with a market cap of 8 billion and a fully diluted market cap of close to 15 billion. A brief about Chainlink would be that Chainlink is a blockchain abstraction layer that enables universally connected smart contracts through a decentralized oracle network. For those who are not aware of what is an oracle, I have made a video in the past which I'll link in the description box. You can take a look. Now, coming back to the video, Chainlink allows blockchain to securely interact with external data feeds, events, and payment methods, providing the critical off-chain information needed by complex smart contracts to become the dominant form of digital agreement. The Chainlink network is driven by a large open source community of data providers, node operators, smart contract developers, researchers, security auditors, and more. Many tech giants at present is using the Chainlink ecosystem. For example, Swift Network, Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, Swisscom, and many more. In the past few months, Link has exploded. To take its technical look, we can clearly see that it has broken its long accumulation zone in the month of October, and it is rallying up. Currently, it has moved about 72% to the upside, but the major resistance is sitting at close to 150%. So there's still a lot of upside. Talking about Chainlink, we have its competitor as well, and the name of that competitor is Pith Network. Pith Network has just launched, and currently it's sitting at close to $0.5 with a fully diluted market cap of close to 5 billion. So you can do your own research whether to add Chainlink or Pith Network to your portfolio. Although Pith Network is very new to this market, many giants have not shown the interest. The next token which I'm going to talk about is Avalanche. At the time of recording, Avalanche is sitting at close to $21 with a market cap of 7 billion with a fully diluted market cap of close to 15 billion. Let's have a brief introduction about Avalanche. So Avalanche is layer 1 blockchain that functions as a platform for decentralized applications and custom blockchain networks. It is one of Ethereum's rivals, aiming to unset Ethereum as the most popular blockchain for smart contracts. It aims to do so by having a higher transaction output of up to 6,500 transactions per second while not compromising scalability. After its mainnet launch in 2020, Avalanche has worked on developing its own ecosystem of decentralized apps and DeFi. Different Ethereum-based projects such as SushiSwap and TrueUSD have been integrated with Avalanche. Furthermore, the platform is constantly working on improving the interoperability between its own ecosystem and Ethereum, like through the development of bridges. In the last 2.5 years, there are 478 projects that have been created on Avalanche ecosystem. Projects such as 1inch, RWA, Anchor. So there are a bunch of projects apart from these three which have been there, and AVAX ecosystem is rapidly growing. In the past few months, AVAX has also exploded. It has broken its resistance. There was a weekly downward resistance, and after that it has been bumping. The major resistance of AVAX is sitting at around $50, which is 200% from the point of breakout. So there's still a lot of upside to it. The other token which I'm going to talk about is Centrifuge. At the time of recording, Centrifuge is sitting at close to $0.7 with a market cap of 240 million, with a fully diluted market cap of 287 million. Now let's talk a brief about Centrifuge. Centrifuge is a decentralized asset financing protocol. It connects decentralized finance DeFi with real-world assets while trying to lower the cost of capital for small and mid-sized enterprises and provide investors with a stable source of income. The main goal of the project is to generate profits that are not tied to volatile crypto assets. The developers are pursuing the task of transferring real monetary value from fiat to cryptocurrencies. Companies are using Centrifuge to access the liquidity that DeFi has to offer. They take these real-world assets and use these tokens as collateral to access financing through TinLake, a decentralized application lending protocol. The Centrifuge blockchain is built on Polkadot for speed and low fees, while its financial decentralized app TinLake is built to access Ethereum liquidity. Centrifuge provides liquidity to everyone, and investors receive income and rewards in the form of CFG tokens. Centrifuge links assets such as invoices, real estates, and royalties with decentralized finance. Additionally, borrowers benefit from the fact that they can finance their real assets without banks or other intermediaries. Just like Link, Centrifuge has also pumped to the upside after the very long accumulation zone. From the breakout, it has moved to a good 80%, but the major resistance is sitting at around 300%, which is $1.5. So still there is a lot of upside. The other token which I'm going to talk about is Goldfinch. It is very similar to Centrifuge. They are almost doing the same tasks, but Goldfinch and Centrifuge is backed by Coinbase and BlackRock. So that's why we have to take a look into it. At the time of recording, Goldfinch is sitting at around $1.4 with a total market cap of 40 million with a fully diluted market cap of 160 million. As I said, Goldfinch is very similar to Centrifuge. So Goldfinch is a global credit protocol that offers sustainable, high-quality stablecoin yields that are generated by real-world economic activity and sheltered from DeFi volatility. This token is an Ethereum token that governs Goldfinch, which ultimately aims to make DeFi lending more accessible by enabling loans that can use both on and off-chain collateral. Now, in the past month, Goldfinch has also moved to the upside. but the all-time high is sitting at close to $9, which is a 600% pump to the upside. It's a really decent pump. Now the last coin which I'm going to talk about has not pumped yet. All the coins which I've showed you earlier have already pumped, although we can catch the tail and we can ride to the upside. But the coin which I'm going to show you has not been pumped yet, and that is LTO network. At the time of recording, LTO network is sitting at close to 7/10 of a cent with a total market cap of 28 million and a fully diluted market cap of 33 million. It's a very small market cap, so we have a lot to the upside. So what is LTO network and what it is doing? So LTO network has established itself as Europe's leading blockchain with strong real-world usage. It was founded on B2B enterprise solutions such as decentralized workflows, data, and document verification and authentication. In 2021, LTO Network's Cobalt mainnet update expanded this solid base with the addition of decentralized identifiers and verifiable credentials, putting LTO network on the road of becoming a true layer 1 blockchain. In turn, decentralized identities and verifiable credentials are at the core of LTO network's newest focus, NFT 2.0 technology, where people truly own and manage their NFTs in a decentralized way. By utilizing its hybrid two-layer approach, LTO network is natively GDPR compliant. This ensures easy compliance for companies around the world with ever-increasing privacy laws. Because of this, LTO network enables developers and businesses to build privacy-aware decentralized apps and offers many unique opportunities for projects to explode. Immediate plan for LTO network includes NFT 2.0, decentralized identities, verifiable credentials driving KYCs, expansion on already established projects, and much more. Talking about the technicals, the LTO network has just broken its downward sloping resistance in a weekly time frame. If you compare this chart with, let's say, link chart, you can see that already these tokens have pumped 80%, but LTO has not pumped. It has just broken its resistance. It has retested perfectly and it is just waiting to explode. The first target is around $0.17, which is close to 160%, but the previous all-time high is at around $0.9, which is 12x from here. So there's a lot of upside. So today we discussed on real world assets. I showed you my top 5 picks for the real world asset, and please do your own research before buying any token. Thanks.